A warm welcome to Paridan Paramdam channel. So today I came up with a new video where we are going to discuss the international organizations and the countries which are going to host them with tricks. So you will remember this for the long run by using these tricks, and do enjoy the story and follow up. So without wasting much time, we'll go into the topic.
G7 Summit. In 2020, US hosted 46th G7 Summit. Next year, UK is going to host, then Germany, Japan and Italy. So remembering these countries which are going to host this G7 is a little bit difficult, but here with the trick we'll remember all these countries. In the picture here we have two girls. I'm pointing to these two girls and I'm telling that you girls, Ja Italy. Okay, very simple, right? You girls, Ja Italy. U for US, then UK, Germany, J for Japan and Italy. So we have covered all the 5 countries. And G7 means it consists of 7 countries in it. So here with the trick we covered 5 countries, and the remaining 2 countries were Canada, then France. Okay, so coming to the next summit, G20 summit. So in 2020, Saudi Arabia hosted 15th summit. In 2021, Italy is going to host. Then next year, Indonesia. Then in 2023, this is very important, India is going to host the 18th summit. So in 2023, India is going to host G20 summit. Okay, so remembering these countries, we have one more trick, and I'm mentioning this boy name as Brazil. Okay, and I'm telling to him that I saw it in India, Brazil. So here the trick is I saw it in India, Brazil. So SA for Saudi Arabia, and IT for Italy, IN for Indonesia, India and Brazil. So remember this, in 2023 India is going to host the G20 summit. And the headquarters of G20 is in Mexico. Then the next one is BRICS. So the full form of it is Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa. So here in 2020, Russia hosted this recently through virtual meeting, and in 2021, India is going to host. So in 2023, G20 summit is going to be hosted by India, and in 2021, BRICS, India is going to host. Okay, and its headquarters is in Shanghai, China. Then APEC. The full form of it is Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation. In 2020, Malaysia hosted it, the 32nd summit. In 2021, New Zealand is going to host. Then next year, Thailand. Then South Korea. So for this trick is that here the pictures resembles as that of the mother, right? So that the trick is related to the mother itself, and the trick is Ma Nyu Ta, South Korea. Okay, Ma Knew Ta, South Korea. That means mother knows South Korea. And Ma for Malaysia, and K is silent here. New Zealand, Thailand, South Korea. Okay. Then ASEAN. Its full form is Associate of Southeast Asian Nations. Actually, it happens twice in a year. In 2020, Vietnam hosted it twice, that is in June and in November month. In June month and in November month. So in 2021, Bronca is going to host it. That is 38th and 39th summit. Headquarters of it is in Jakarta, Indonesia. And headquarters of APEC is Singapore. Okay. As these were the international summits, it would be very important for us to know the details of it, and I hope the tricks that would be helpful for you, and you can remember it for long run. And I will come with few more videos. Until then, plan for the best and prepare well.